What's up, everybody? So I've been getting a lot of these these doors with the premium enclosures. Larson came out with them about 3-4 years ago. I want to show you guys how to install these because they're different. Not everybody understands how to do them. If you don't do them right, you will mess it up, guaranteed. All right, so the new door closures. Let's go into this. All right, so the new door, they don't have the brackets that go into here. So everybody remembers the piston rod that comes across, right? So there's usually one at the top, one at the bottom. I did not install this door, so I'm here actually to do a repair on it. All right, so first things first, on these doors, you want to install the header bar first, okay? This little one here goes into the hinge side. See where the hinge is here? You want it to face that way because there's a bar that connects to here, and then that allows this to open up. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I got it. So you got to put this in there. You have to put this in first, and then screw it down. Okay, so you're gonna tighten that up, and that's what's gonna fix it. Be your fixed point. Okay. Oh God, I can't get it over now. Okay, that's all right. So you want to put this bar in. You got the 4 long screws that's going to go into the very, very top, and there's one that goes here, and then there's one that goes here. Hello, beautiful. See what I'm doing right now? So this one here is your lock spot. Okay, that's what is going to allow this door to fully open and fully close. The bar is going to go here. Now the bar that we're talking about is right here. All right, so this is now becomes the new piston actuator. This goes inside the door itself. It's actually really, really big. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's actually really, really big. It's almost about that far there. So it's about like that width, probably about like that. It definitely has some weight to it. All right, so here's the thing. When you put this bar in, I don't know where y'all can see because I'm actually stretched out. When you want to push this bar past here, see how I have it just past, and you want to put this screw in here. Okay, very important to be careful doing that because you will strip this out. If you strip this out or you strip this bar out, it's on a square nut type system. This has a little square hole and then it goes onto a square dowel. If you strip that out, you are screwed. There is no fixing it. Okay, so it's very, very important to take your time on this to have this actuated out. So once you have this pinned over, right, there's a hole right behind here, right underneath here. You can't see it yet, but there's a pinhole, and that's where you put the safety pin, right? My phone's messing up on me, but that's where you put the safety pin. Okay, let me do that. Y'all hang tight, and I will show you I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Hang tight. And no, Dan, I don't have my stand, so y'all just bear with me. All right. So right here, hey, whoever else joined, awesome, thank you. All right, so now you can see this pin. So as you actuate this closure, right, you put that dowel pin in there. See right there? Now as you let it go, you see how it's going to close. So as it's coming to the door, that's going to allow this door to close, right? You follow me? All right. So this is how I do it. All right. So what's going to happen is, oh, she got me locked. I might be able to do this. So you're going to line these two up. I got to get my big self out of the way though. Homeowner has the door itself locked. Okay, you're going to line those up. Then you're going to take this big barrel nut here, right? Slowly tighten it up. This is another one of those that you will strip if you are not careful. If you strip this, you're screwed because there's not an extra part. All right, like I said, it's going to be a little it's going to feel a little loose, but it's not going to be loose. You can, as you're tightening it up, like that's as tight as I can go, okay? But you can see how it has a little bit of slack in it. It's supposed to have that slack, okay? All right, so now we're gonna open this door up to as far as open as we want to go. So the good thing about these closures is you can definitely open them up and get some clearance. Lock that part down right here, okay? Take off this sticker because it looks tacky. All right, push on the door, take your pin out, and then there's your door closing on its own. Okay. All right, so to speed that up, want it to go, see? And there's how you open it up. Okay, so let's do this again. See that? And there you go. Okay, that's how it works. I usually do it a couple times. Like I said, and as tight as it can be, so it's not going to come out anymore. All right. So, but if you want to speed it up or slow it down, there is a screw right here, right underneath here. Okay, you need a little flatheads right there. All right, so you'll pull this door to get clearance, and you'll see where it says faster and slower, and that's where you speed it up and slow it down. Okay. All right, guys. So in a nutshell, that's how you do them. Like I said, they are very, very tricky. If you've not done one, please reach out to me. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I can walk you through the process if you do decide to install this door on your own. They are tricky. I have left my office to go show some other installers on how to do it because they've never seen it before. So other than that, y'all be good, and please share this video. Thanks. Bye.